What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today on this video, I wanted to do a live session with you guys and pretty much discuss with you about building an online business through faceless content. And this is the business model that I'm actually doing, and pretty much loving the process, loving the journey. And if you're actually joining this live session for the first time, just let me know in the comment section where you're actually watching this from. I would like to better connect with you that way. And because this video might be going on Facebook or might be going on YouTube, right? So wherever you're actually connecting from, just leave in the comment section where you're actually watching this from. And let me also know if you have started your own faceless YouTube business model, right? So that's what I'll be discussing in this business model discussion, right? And if you have any question, don't hesitate to put in the comment section below, right? So you must be asking, like, what is these faceless channels and how we actually run this faceless channel, right? So before I jump into the actual session, I wanted to show you a few of the awesome reviews for my channel that we have actually been building. And pretty much we, on an ongoing basis, like I build channels pretty much weekly or every fortnightly. We start up a new channel, and pretty much, like, as you can see, this is the channel that we literally didn't start that long ago. So if I actually click on this, pretty much I believe this is like a video that we uploaded. So 111,000 views. And this is how much he actually made, but close to about $1,200. And the good part about this is, still till this day, it is still generating us views, and from those views we're still making money, right? Not a lot, but if you add that with one video, if you add that across like multiple videos, you're gonna be making some great income from it, right? So another one I wanted to also share with you, I don't know if you can see better. Hopefully you can. If not, you can just put in the comment section. And like I always share like different channels. Like this is another one. Pretty much like this is like a shorts based channel that we literally started testing. And pretty much you can see the channel got monetized about there. And like November 3rd, today is like November 7th, I think. So we did this like on the 5th. So you can actually see the short channel, the views, like 2 million views every 48 hours, also growing. Another one, this is another channel that we have been building, like 136,000 views, and $2,000 we made from that. And like I can keep going down. Like this is another channel we started, $677 with 2.3 million views. And pretty much I just, especially like this is another channel that like I did a live session on this actual channel, 1.1 million views, made about $10,300. So you can imagine, like, you can keep starting like different channels and you can be making some great income from it, right? So here's another one that we started, 3,500 subscribers, made about $530, right? So, and this is a award that I actually won. They were actually giving out for the winners. So you can see, like, if I make the screen bigger, so congratulations. So this is me, won like $1,000 prize for the highest revenue for the actual month. And you can, there's a lot of updates that I actually do, especially on my Facebook. So if you actually coming to me via Facebook, like this is where I actually share most of my results. And also I have my channel. So if you're actually watching this on YouTube, you can simply go to the playlist section, and on the playlist section, what you're gonna see is pretty much you're going to be seeing, let me close this tab. So on the playlist tab, you're going to be seeing the training. Like I did like a $10,000 training on how we actually build our YouTube automation channels. So you can actually watch the training. It's a free training. However, some of the methods in there might be just a bit outdated. So that's why I actually put up another training for that. So if you want to get access to those training, you can just message me and I'll just send you the newer training that I actually did for YouTube faceless channels, right? So pretty much what this business model is all about is pretty much creating content and uploading those content on YouTube platform. Okay. And the good part is like you're gonna be getting like automated income, right? Because you just giving the team maybe like few ideas, and from those ideas they're creating videos, right? So they're creating like a script, they're creating voiceover, they're creating thumbnail, they create video editing, right? But in 2025, or actually last year we started building totally automated channels. Okay, so like there's systems in place where AI actually is doing the whole, like you don't even have to hire a team now, right? This is how crazy it is now. And the video quality is really, really good, okay? Compared to like if you hire a video editor, they're gonna be giving out some crappy videos, you know. But like with the AI, all you're doing is just feeding the AI with what you actually want. And at the end of the chain, it's going to be spitting out like a video, like full, like awesome video, like animated video, b-roll video, stock videos. You can also feed the links, so it puts the links on the videos and divide it between like animation. It's just crazy like what the AI is actually doing now, and it's only going to get like better and better, right? So if you're just sitting on the sideline thinking like, hey, which business model should I start to be able to put like less amount of time, but I want to get like massive return, I'd say YouTube automation. Because the good part about YouTube automation, the ROI that you're going to be getting is awesome, right? For like the channels that I actually shared with you, we just paying like maybe a software like probably $30 to $50 a month we're only spending. And you can see like each video you're making like $1,200, $2,000. If the video does like million views on a high CPM channel niche, we get like $10,000. So the ROI is just crazy, you know. So, and what you can also do to access the training is pretty much, I can share with you screen again. If you're watching this on Facebook, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be going to my bio. If I actually go to my actual page, so the first link is gonna be taking you to the mindset training. Okay, so you can open up this. This is my private WhatsApp group where I can actually join, because I drop a lot of like information on my WhatsApp group as well. So you can click and watch it. And this one, you gotta be, once you click on this playlist, it's gonna take you to the playlist, and there you can just watch the whole video, like step by step. However, if you're actually just doing this like for the first time, what you gotta do is you gotta get a already monetized channel. So a already monetized channel, it's already got 1,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and it is already in the YouTube partner program, right? So once you start creating videos, you're gonna start earning from day one. Like you don't have to wait like probably 1-2 years just to get monetized, right? So if you accessing the training, you can just send me DM, say, hey Sanjeev, I've watched the training, can I get an already monetized channel? And I'll just send you already monetized channel. So that way you don't have to wait just to, you know, waste time, because you're going to be wasting time, and you're going to be putting videos. You want to be getting returns from those videos like as soon as you start uploading on YouTube. Okay, so simple as that. Any question you have, you can just put in the comment section, and don't forget to go in the training section and watch the full training, so that way you can access the training. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you have any question, you can just put in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply. God bless.